Hey everyone, and welcome back to iTech Grow. Today, we're diving into some exciting new features released by AWS for their Site-to-Site VPN service. If you're managing hybrid cloud infrastructure or working with secure enterprise connectivity, these updates are definitely worth your time. Let's start with a quick recap. AWS Site-to-Site VPN is a fully managed service that allows you to create secure connections between your on-premises data center or branch office and your AWS environment. It uses IPsec tunnels to establish encrypted traffic between the two endpoints, giving you secure, private communication over the public internet. The first new feature is integration with AWS Secrets Manager, and this is a big one for improving security. Now, when you store your pre-shared keys or PSKs in Secrets Manager, the VPN API responses will no longer expose these keys. Instead, they'll show the ARN, or Amazon resource name, of the secret in Secrets Manager. This reduces the risk of PSK leakage, especially when managing VPN programmatically or through automation. It's a subtle but powerful shift towards security by design. Next up, a brand new API. GetActiveVpnTunnelStatus. With this API, you can now track key cryptographic details, like the currently negotiated IKE version, the Diffie-Hellman group, the encryption algorithm, and the integrity algorithm, all without having to enable site-to-site VPN logs. This means you can monitor your active tunnel's crypto settings in real time, reducing overhead and making VPN health and compliance audits a lot easier. And now on to the third update. This one's all about simplifying best practices. The GetVPN connection device sample configure a tie-in API has been enhanced with a new recommended parameter. This helps you automatically apply AWS recommended security settings to your customer gateway devices. These best practice settings include IKE version 2, Diffie-Hellman group 20, SHA 384 for integrity, and AES-G CM256 for encryption. This helps reduce both setup time and misconfiguration risk, especially in complex enterprise environments. Good news, these features come at no additional cost. They're available in all AWS commercial regions where site-to-site VPN is supported, with one exception. The Europe, Milan region doesn't have these updates just yet. To sum up, these enhancements to AWS Site-to-Site VPN improve security by integrating with Secrets Manager Simplify, monitoring with the new TunnelStatus API, accelerate setup with best practice configuration templates. If you're managing hybrid infrastructure, this is one more step toward more secure and automated networking. Let us know in the comments if you've tested these features yet, or how you manage VPN at scale in AWS. Don't forget to like this video, subscribe to the channel, and hit the bell icon for more AWS and cloud tech updates.